The Pixel 7 Pro has been launched and it's going to be one of the best devices when it comes to the cameras. But certainly, just like the last year Pixel 6 Pro, there are certainly many issues that are regarding the Pixel 7 Pro device. The most issues are from the Pixel 7 Pro display, and the other issues are related to Pixel 7 Pro software. It's going to be frustrating. Two of them are going to be solvable using the software, where one of them is going to be not solvable because it's a hardware issue in the display. Now guys, the first issue that is going to be most people are facing, I don't hear about that on the tech world community or on Twitter, but there are some Reddit posts. Many users reported that they are facing this issue where sometimes the scrolling gets too fast as not intended, and sometimes it's too slow. Although it's not clear why this issue is happening, but it seems like this is clearly a software issue where it is unable to manage at 120Hz display. Now, this is not a big issue because it can easily be fixed using the software update. Now, moving forward, if you think this issue is a major one, then you guys might be wrong. Since one of the biggest and the major issue that pop out for the Pixel 7 Pro is its display, and it seems like this is not going to be get fixed with the software. Basically, there is a high battery drain on the higher brightness. This is because the Pixel 7 Pro is not managing the watt on 600 nits. It is consuming 3 to 4 watts and 6 watt if your brightness is at 1500 nits, which is causing more battery drain and the highest peak brightness as compared to lower peak brightness. Now, if you are indoor, there is no issue with the battery, but soon you go outside, the auto brightness kicks in, and at the 1500 nits, it is consuming more power than the S22 series. Now, the immediate fix is turn off your auto brightness and keep it as low as you can while using it outdoor. This way you can save the battery on the Pixel 7 Pro. Unfortunately, there is no other option you can have for the Pixel 7 Pro to save the battery outdoors. Another issue you might face on the Pixel 7 Pro in its camera, because the camera app has been crashing for some users. Now, a lot of people are facing this issue, but luckily there is already a fix available online, which some of you guys might not even know about. If your camera app crashes, just simply go on to Google Play Store and update your camera app, which is about 118 megabyte of size. Some of the users are facing the issues while using their face unlock with the banking app. I think that this is not going to be a wise choice to have a banking app with your Face ID, because the Face ID in the Pixel 7 Pro is not going to be best one or the secure one, so don't use that on your apps because it is not going to be reliable. The fingerprint on the Pixel 7 Pro has been fixed. Most of the issue has been resolved that was faced in the Pixel 6 Pro, but still there is one issue that has been left. Whenever you lock your device and if you press on the screen when it's going to be darkened, there is still some accidental touches happen, and even some apps can be opened behind the scene, which is kind of an annoying thing, but they can easily be fixed using the software. And you guys, the Pixel 7 Pro is not a perfect device, but still Google will provide you some updates through which you can update your device and fix those issues. And you guys, if you're interested in the battery life of the Pixel 7 Pro, here is the video. Do check that out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.